Starting in the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics chapter number 7 for New Secondary Mathematics book 1 of Science Students class 6, and chapter number 9 for New Syllabus Mathematics D1 Oxford A-level O-level students. And practice now 11, and question number 1 is: a train travels 16 km in 25 minutes. Find the speed of the train in first part is we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour, and in second part we have to find the speed in meter per second. So students, first we will write the data, and data is distance is equal to 16.8 kilometer, and time is 25 minutes. So students, first I will convert these 25 minutes into hours, because in first part we have to find the speed in kilometer per hour, so the time will be converted into hours. And you should keep in mind that 60 minutes make 1 hour, so we will divide minutes with 60 and the time will be converted into hours, so it will become 25 over 60. Now the minutes are converted into hours. And students, 5 5s are 25 and 5 12s are 60, so time is 5 over 12 hours, and we have to find speed. And you should keep in mind the formula of speed is equal to distance over time. Now students, distance is 16.8 kilometer and time is 5 over 12 hours. Students, keep in mind that if there is denominator in denominator, then that denominator will be converted into numerator. Suppose it is written as 3 divided by 5, so we can write it 3 over 5, so we can write it as 3 divided by 5. In the same way, it is written as 16.8 over 5 over 12. So students, it can be written in the form of 16.8 divided by 5 over 12. And now we will convert this division into multiplication, and then we have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. So it will become 16.8 multiplied by 12 over 5. So in this way, this denominator will be converted into numerator, and it will become 16.8 multiplied by 12 over 5, and now the unit will become kilometer per hour. Now students, we will use calculator to find the speed. So students, speed is 40.32 kilometer per hour, and it is the answer of first part. Now students, we will find the speed in meter per second. Students, in second part we have to find the speed of the train in meter per second. So students, first I will write distance is equal to 16.8 kilometer. I will convert the distance from kilometer to meter, and you should keep in mind that there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So students, for converting kilometer into meter, I have to multiply it with 1000, and it will become 16.8 multiplied by 1000, and now it is meter. There are 3 zeros with 1 that are multiplying, so the product will be 1680 and 0 meter, and time is students 25 minutes. And I will convert times into seconds, because in second number we have to find the speed of the train in meter per second, and you know very well that 60 seconds make 1 minute, so it will become 25 multiplied by 60 second, and students 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12 and 3 15 seconds. Now students, we will find the speed, and speed is equal to distance over time, and distance is 16,800 meter and time is 1500 seconds. Students, these two zeros will be cancelled with these two zeros, and now we will use calculator to find the speed. 168 divided by 15, and the speed is 11.2 meter per second. There is another way to find the speed in meter per second from kilometer per hour, as the speed was in kilometer per hour, speed was 40.32 kilometer per hour. Now students, these kilometers will be converted into meters by multiplying 1000, and it will become 40.32 multiplied by 1000. Now these kilometers are converted into meters, and students, we have to convert hour into minutes, and you should keep in mind that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and then 60 seconds in 1 minute. So the speed will become meter per second. Now students, we will use calculator or simplify it. This 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and when we multiply 40.32 with 10, it will become 403.2 over 36, and when we use calculator to simplify it, speed will become 11.2 meter per second. We can find the speed in meter per second in this way as well, but the exact way to find the speed in meter per second is this, but we can use this method as well. Students, question number 2. A car travels at a speed of 55 km per hour. So speed of the car is 55 km per hour. Find the distance traveled. So we have to find distance by the car in 12 minutes and 30 seconds. So time is 12 minutes and 30 seconds, and we have to give the answer in meters. We have to find distance in meters. Students, look at the speed. Speed is given in kilometer per hour. So either we have to convert the speed into meter per second, or we have to convert our time into hours. It is totally up to us that which method we will apply. So it is easy for us to convert the speed into meter per second, as we have to find the distance in meter. So students, first we will convert our speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, and speed will be 55 kilometer, and if kilometers are multiplied by 1000, it will become meter. So now kilometers are converted into meters, and students, hour over hour, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and then there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So it will become 1 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. Now the hour is converted into seconds. Now students, this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. When we multiply 55 with 10, it will become 550 over 36. Now the speed is in meter per second. And now students, time is given in minutes and second. So we will convert our minutes into second, and time is written as time is equal to 12 multiplied by 60. These minutes are converted into second by multiplying minutes with 60, and there are 30 seconds as well. So we will add these 30 seconds in it. 12 zeros are 0, and 12 sevens are 72 plus 30 and it will become 750 seconds. Time is 750 seconds. Now students, we will apply the formula of speed, and speed is equal to distance over time. And students, speed is given, that is 550 meter per 36 seconds. So it is written 550 meter over 36 seconds. Distance we have to find, and time taken is 750 seconds. Students, 750 seconds is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply and written as 550 meter over 36 seconds multiply by 750 seconds. 750 seconds is equal to distance. Second will be cancelled to second. Now we will use calculator to find distance, and now the unit of distance will be meter. So students, by using calculator, the distance is 11,458.33 meter is the distance that car has travelled in 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Students, question number 3. A car and a bus are travelling towards each other. Suppose students, here is bus and there is a car, and they are travelling, and the distance between them is this, and they are travelling in each other's position. Means the car is travelling to this world and bus is travelling to this direction, and the distance between bus and car is 510 kilometer. So students, they are 510 kilometer apart at 13:20. So students, departure time is 13:20 hours, and students, and they pass each other at 16:40, and their intersecting or meeting time, or you can say their arrival time, is 16:20 hours. And students, the speed of the car is that is 90 kilometer per hour, and we have to find speed of bus. We have to find. So students, distance is given, that is 510 kilometer between car and bus, and the time taken is, departure time is given and arrival time or interacting time is 16:20. So by using this data, we will find time taken. Speed of car is given, that is 90 km per hour, and speed of bus we have to find. So first students, we will find time taken. So students, time will be arrival time or interacting time minus departure time, and students, arrival time is 16:20 hours minus departure time is 13:20 hours, and when we subtract 13:20 from 16:20, then the time will be 3 hours. We can subtract it in this way: 16:20 minus 13:20, and the time is 300 hours, so it is written as 3 hours. And students, speed of car is given. So first we will find the distance travelled by car, and we will apply the formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. Speed of car is given, that is 90 km per hour, and distance we have to find, and time is, students, 3 hours. So 3 hours is multiplying or dividing on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply and written as 90 km over hour multiply by 3r is equal to distance traveled by car. This r and this r will be cancelled. 3 zeros are 0 and 3 nines are 27 kilometer is traveled by car. Now students, we will find the distance that is traveled by bus. Students, look at this line. The distance between car and bus is 510 kilometer and distance traveled by car is 270 kilometer and rest of the distance is traveled by bus. So I will write distance traveled by bus is 510 minus 270 kilometer. And now students, 0 will be subtracted from 0 and we will have 0, and 11 minus 7 mean 4 and 4 minus 2 mean 2. So students, distance traveled by bus is 240 kilometer and time is 3 hours. Time is equal to 3 hours and we have to find speed of bus. So students, speed of bus will be distance over time. Distance over time. Distance is 240 kilometer and time is 3 hours. So students, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 3 zeros are 0. So the speed of bus is 80 kilometer per hour, and that we have to find. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.